Good evening to you.
Thank you. How are ya?
hmm So, how is everything?
Been a very exhausting week. Uh,
Exhausting.
very exhausting. I've had late nights and just constantly just working to get this done. And then I finished um 2 days ago, and then obviously just looking at the just fixing a few things and going with the brief and everything, checking everything, and yeah, so it's ready to show ya, and hopefully, what I mean, we could say it's done. So yeah, but yeah, it's been very tiring. I've had so many problems. I thought, it ain't gonna take that long, but I don't understand like why it takes so long.
No, you are doing this first time. That's why it will take.
Yeah,
Yeah.
God.
As this is your first site. So,
Yeah, no, like after when I made that just the one page, I thought, yeah, it can't be that bad, this and that. But I mean, I didn't have the issue with the bootstrap thing and that. It's just actually trying to make it presentable and trying to get these extra features and stuff like that, just to make it a bit more, you know, look like a proper website and stuff. So. But yeah, I've done it, and I'm just relieved now, a bit more relaxed now. Before I was like, when am I gonna get it done? What's going on? I was working day and night, you know, till about one, 2 in the morning and stuff, and then waking up and then doing it again, and just. But yeah, just I'm glad it's done now. Well, I'm hoping it's done. So
this field is like that. Sometimes it takes time to debug the things. If you get somewhere like alignment issues or anything, that takes some time to fix.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, the alignment. Oh
Yeah.
my God. Like, you know, you thinking like, when you work on, the PowerPoints and the paintbrush and the word and all that, where you can just play something, no problem, because it's all set up. With this, it's like you want to move something there, and it's just like, oh my God, what you got to do to actually, have it the way you want it. You know what I mean? The structure is like, especially when you sent me that pages, the was it the 4 pages of the layout and that. I was just looking at it, I was thinking, I like the sketches and everything, but I'm just thinking, how the hell am I gonna do these sketches? You know what I mean? How the hell am I gonna like make it the way the sketches are done? And placing this to that. And then obviously I was just like working on a lot of things and stuff and then putting it together, and God, yeah, I was having issues with the image and then the font, the text, you know what I mean, and different things. But yeah, I'm happy now. I'm happy. But yeah, I'm
Yeah, I
still
remember.
okay.
I remember when I first my website. It took me 1 month to finish a one website.
Really? Oh,
Yeah, it took 1 month because I didn't have that time any mentor or anybody to help me. So
really?
so it
Wow.
took me 1 month to finish one simple website. This CSS thing, this alignment took me that time very long to fix.
Mm.
I remember that.
How long ago was that? A long time ago.
Yeah,
I bet,
long time ago.
I bet the internet wasn't even that helpful then. You didn't.
Yeah,
What
that time, yeah,
was
internet
Google
was not.
about at that time?
Yes, sorry,
Was Google how helpful was Google at that time?
not in nowadays. You'll get lots of tutorial. That time it was not there that much. It was
Yeah,
there, but not that much.
yeah. That's what I was thinking. I was thinking. I bet the resources ain't as easy as it is now.
Yeah, there were not lots of resources that time. So it took me 1 month. I remember very well.
I can imagine. I reckon if I was doing at that time with the limited resources, I can
Yeah.
imagine how it probably would have taken me months and months. You know what I mean? So,
Yes.
'cause obviously, like at least you were. But the thing is, when you did the website, did you study a lot before? So did you know a bit about coding at that time, or
Yes.
was you like properly new to it now, or because like it is quite? I mean, obviously, I'm not as familiar with coding. I don't know. You probably was at a lot better level than me, but cause I've got the better resources at this time, then it
Yes.
kind of makes it a little bit easier if you understand it and test it. That's
Mm.
what I did. I basically throughout the whole thing, it was just constant testing when things were just frustrating me. I had to, looking at the script, the formula, everything, and it's just like, oh my god. I was like, why can't it be that simple?
No, it will be simpler. It will
When,
go simple. As this is your
when
first
I
time.
understand it.
Yeah. So
understand it.
did you prepare the brief too?
Yeah, I've done the brief and everything. I even done what do you call it? Technical specification as well with that brief.
So
Uh,
next week, so
but yeah,
we-
I've done all of it, including that timeline as well. Which I mean, I thought I was having problems with the timeline, but
so you mean you can present next week?
yeah, yeah, I should be all right for next week. But I want you to have a look at it before I present it next week. Because obviously, like, I want to push on with this fourth project as well. I want to see what this one's like. You know what I mean? After this big third one, because I mean, I'm sure, you know, I mean, if I've done well at this one, then I'm sure I might be. I think four might be a little bit more simpler. I'm hoping.
Yeah. The next project is not the website. You will do something else that will.
Oh, is it? Oh, it's not. I don't have to make a website now.
No, not website. This is that's the different thing. I will see.
Okay, okay, that's good.
Because you are not doing a website development course. You will do the Android thing. So
Yeah,
just to know the fundamental you did
the
for this.
website. Ah,
Yes.
got you, got you.
So we'll not go deep into the website.
Hmm. Yeah, because obviously you need to do a website because obviously it's just a smaller website version in it for an app
Yeah.
on your thing.
Yeah.
Because that's
If
what
you
I was
want,
looking at as well on the W3 schools. The
yes,
templates, you can do the either for the laptop or you can do it for the phone and the tablet or whatever. So
yes.
yeah.
If you want to know the deep detail of the website, you will. There are other courses in the OC. There are other
Hmm.
for website development. So they will teach you deeper.
Oh, okay. Got you.
So for this course, we will not go that deep in the website development. This much is enough for you now.
What was it? What is the next one about app?
No, not app. That's a UML. You will if you see the video, you will know. If you'll watch the
Oh,
video,
okay.
that's
Okay.
not the app. We'll see what is that.
Okay.
So if you want to show me your website, then we'll go over that project 4.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'm ready to show you. So you're right now, yeah? Let's see everything. Okay. So here is my website. Oh, wait a minute. Let's hide this. Can I hide? Oh, yeah. I can hide this. Yeah. Right. So this is my home page. I made it simple. Yeah, I think I showed you this background, didn't I?
Yeah, you showed me last time this
Yeah.
back.
So basically, for this theme, for this website, I made it like a classical black and white.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's okay. But where are the navigations?
yeah. So if you look at the top right here,
Okay.
I used this bootstrap
Okay.
navigation thing. Played around with it, so like it's like a drop down. Okay,
Okay.
and what I did was I did, what was it, five different sections pages. So
Yes.
I will start with the about. So just a little thing about obviously the the background of the festival, the Brooklyn,
Yes.
or with the Jennifer Viala.
Okay.
I've done a little
About
image
page
there.
in
Sorry.
a, in about page you have the navigation too, right?
Yeah, yeah. So I'll just go into the about, and that takes me to there. All right. So then I did the news straight after image. Just a bit of latest news
No.
on announcements and stuff like that. All right, and then I come to the movie section, which I did. I put some trailers in. This is was very tough for me. I did took a bit of time,
Mhm.
um, and then I did the pre-registration bit. I thought about the form thing, but then I come up with this, and it come out, and obviously I put the name, email. You type in the movie, drop down thing. I think I limited to the five tickets, and then obviously the timetable, and then the show times which I put displayed here, so they can have a look and book their reservations here. And then I did the last thing, the footer, and I did like a contacts. Obviously, I put the address there, some quick contact numbers, whatever. I just added it, and then I did the follow us on, which they requested for Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and then I added that news, the Brooklyn Bridge one, and
Yes.
then Brooklyn Bridge Park. So
Yeah.
the Brooklyn News, I think it is, and then the Brooklyn Bridge, and obviously you click into it.
Yeah,
Um,
that's okay. Only you need to provide the link. That's it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I made sure I got the links there, and then obviously I added the map from the embed map,
Okay.
and
No,
then on
I
top of it, then what I did was with the thing. So I got the smooth scroll just to make it a bit more smoother, and it just takes me to the actual page. So that's it.
I have few questions. When you go to the about page,
Yeah,
go to the about page.
yeah.
Yeah. Do you have the links? Means can you go from the about page to the home page? There should be link to all the pages to go from the about page to.
Oh, what you mean? What to go back?
Yes, not to back, to go any page. You can go to the any page from the about page too, right?
Um, what do you mean? What there should be like a link?
Yes, you should have link from every page to go any other page. Like
I-
this
what?
is
So I
your
just
about
click
page.
onto it, and then it just should take me to wherever. Is that what you're saying?
So you have a separate about page, right? You have made the separate about page, or
Like
it's
sections? Yeah. So I've done it in sections.
oh you made it in sections.
Yeah.
So it's basically one page.
I'll show you the layout in it. So this is the layout I've done.
Okay, I understood. I mean, you made you have attached all the sections to one page, right?
Yeah, yeah, on the HTML. Because what I did was I did a HTML page, and then the
Okay,
CSS, and then obviously I did the bootstrap to it as well.
okay.
So that's how I've done it. What are you saying? Like, say if I went to about, I should have like a
Okay,
long.
yeah, you have the about section in the same page. That's why. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, yeah. So that's how I did it. So I just put it all together and just
Yeah,
use
that's okay. That
navigation
will
and
work. That will work. That's okay.
Is that right? Because
Yeah, yeah, that will work. I thought it's a different page. If it's different page, then you need to provide the link for other pages too.
oh yeah, no. I just done it all in one. Because I
Okay,
I was thinking about that, but then I thought, you know what? I'll just do it like this. And
okay. This one is also okay. Good.
is this okay? Yeah.
Yes.
I was also, I don't know, I was thinking at the bottom, maybe I should put like a top little link so it just brings me all the way to the top. But then I was thinking, you know what? It's okay. You got the thing there, but as long as
But you
it,
just made you see this navigation, change the
mm,
color of the navigation. Now it's not prominent. This go to your navigation again.
yeah.
Yeah, this color about and news, those are not prominent. Just make it something look prominent. Like
Oh,
now,
what you
yeah,
mean? This color
not this color. Your navigations.
navigation.
Yeah, this one home
Or, sh-
about.
or should I just color code it or something?
Yeah, make it different color so that it will look clear.
Oh, okay, got ya. Yeah, because
Yep.
what you're saying that it's not, you can't see it clearly because of the
Yeah,
white.
I can't see it clearly. If you make it slightly bold or make it different color.
Yeah, because you did say bald, innit? Well, shall I just add like a brighter color to the whole thing? Then that way you can see it.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, all right. Then I'll add that to it.
yes.
Thing it's just that. Oh, I suppose I can. What about this blue? Shall I add this blue? You reckon that'll be all right, or you reckon a lighter color?
Yeah,
Because
make it blue. Yeah, blue also work because those are the
yeah.
links. So blue will fit.
Okay. Yeah. All right then. Yeah, I'll add that to it and stuff. And
Okay.
yeah. So what is it okay or what?
Yeah, it's look good to me.
Is it all right? Yeah. Yeah. The
Yes.
other thing. Yeah. The other issue I was having was is I managed to fit all these in there. Yeah. But the problem I was having was to split the screens. Have you noticed that in each row the two are together? I was having that issue, but does it look all right? Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Is it all right? All right, then that's
Yes.
good.
So
And
is there some information about the movies somewhere or just put the trailer only?
yeah, well, yeah. The other thing was I thought, I mean, yeah, I should have put more information on it, but I was having a lot of problems with the whole adding the text to these clips because I was thinking maybe I should like get a screen and then add like information. But
Yes.
what I added the but shall I do it like this? Shall I put like a little link here? On this screen, the pre-registration screen, 'cause that's where I got the movies and the information about how long the movie is and what the day I'm gonna show it
Yeah,
at what time,
there should be some information for each movie
what it's about, like what
yeah,
it's about or something.
yeah.
Yeah, because I was thinking like, I should add something. Yeah, I think I could just add it onto this section here. Is that okay?
Yeah, the anyway you will put that will be fine. Just
As long as I add that in and that's it.
yeah, yes. There should be
Oh,
some.
okay. Yeah, because I was thinking, yeah, it does look a bit too plain, doesn't it? And yeah, okay then. Also, I was gonna show you the brief and all that. What should I just send you it and then you can have a look at it?
Yeah, yeah. You'll send me this website page to coding.
Yeah. Also, Nassim, the issue was I was trying to send you the zip,
Yes.
but it wouldn't let me. Apparently, Google stopped it. It was a security thing.
So how big was the size? You can split into two. Make
Yeah, no, the size was fine, but they're saying something about it had you can't put add certain files to the to send.
But last time you sent me a zip folder already. Last time you sent me a.
Yeah, I know, but like, did I send you a website? I can't remember if I sent you a website. It
Yeah.
wouldn't let. It apparently it's not letting me because I think it's saying something about Java. One of the, I think it's the JavaScript.
No, you can send the JavaScript. There is no problem. You try it again. Just try it again. Put the files in a folder and zip that folder and send it to me. Last time, as you did last time, you sent last
Yeah,
time.
yeah, I know. Like, I sent you last time, but I'm not sure with the website. But I sent you it yesterday, and it just wouldn't go through.
No,
Oh,
it's
is
there should
I
not
tried to
there
send.
should not be there should not be any problem. If it is very big size, sometime you can't send. If it is very big, like maybe more than 50 MB or something, there is some limit
Yeah,
size.
I think what I'll do is I'll send you just the HTML. Actually,
Okay, yeah, that's why. Yeah, that's why I'm saying just split. If it is the size problem, you can split into two, three parts, two, three folder, and send that way.
yeah. Well, all right. What I'll do is I'll put just the HTML and the CSS together in one
Yeah.
file, zip it. I'll send
Yes.
that. If it, hopefully it will be okay. If
Yeah.
not, then I'll try some other way or whatever. But yeah,
Yes.
I'll send you that, and then what I'll do is I'll send you the brief separate.
Yes. Yeah. Brief. Send me
Hopefully
the
that
brief
that will get
separately.
through. But also, I was going to ask you, when I present it, like, shall I just what? How do you think the best way to present it is? Shall I just explain to her first, like, or show her like a make a little a sketch prototype thing, or and then show her the website, or just
Yeah.
present explain it?
First you'll show the website and you'll talk about it and what the problem you faced while doing it, how you solve it, and
Mm,
you'll talk about this site and what else. That will be fine if you talk about it, how you did it, and what are the problem you faced, how you solved that.
got ya. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Just discuss about how putting it together and
Yes, just
what
discuss the
I made,
process. Yeah, just
what was the right decisions, and how
yeah.
to overcome my issues, my
Yes, yes,
problems, and stuff like
yeah.
that. Yeah, because like I wanted to explain it, like obviously the way you're saying, but then I was thinking, isn't the actual the mentor supposed to be the customer? The client. Sorry, the client. So
Yeah.
actually, I was thinking if I explain it to the client in a technical way, like explaining things in technical language, then like, isn't that going to be like? Shouldn't I make it simple, or do I need to
No,
explain to him like how I put it together?
yeah, you'll show him that this website is visible in all devices. You'll show him how it looks in different devices.
Hmm.
You'll show that, and
Should I
you'll
show
show.
him it in like different what do you call it, in different browsers as well?
Yeah, yeah, in different browser and different device. That in mobile, how it looks. It now it looks okay, right? Is it responsive now?
Oh yeah. Actually, I didn't really have a look, but yeah, I'll have a look now. Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, scroll down, scroll down.
Okay.
Yeah, now yeah, it looks perfect. So you'll show him.
So it is
Yeah,
quite
yeah,
responsive.
you'll show him this thing too. So
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That makes sense. Yeah.
yeah, you will show him this thing how it looks, how it will look in different size, in different device, in different browser. Everywhere it appears perfectly, and
Mm,
uh,
so that tablet.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. That's you know what that's very good because I was looking at that and I was thinking I never checked it before because like sometimes it just didn't look right when it was when I was checking if it was fully responsive. But yeah,
Yeah, as you have used the bootstrap, so it become easy for you to make it responsive.
yeah, the bootstrap definitely does help.
Yes.
Thanks.
Otherwise, otherwise
I
it
used
would
the
have been
bootstrap for
very
quite a few
hard.
things actually, yeah, which was very helpful. Obviously, the navigation helped. That
Yeah.
was good. The smooth scroll I also used from that Ferdinand guy as well. That was quite good.
Yes.
Yeah, and other things as well. And I'll tell you this the YouTube thing. Oh my god, that was a task and a half. I mean, obviously, I got the idea from the W3 schools, but oof, that was a emission. And also this getting the links, which I also ended up finding on Thingy because I couldn't find it from anywhere else. But the map idea was quite good. I got the embedded thing, which was quite helpful.
Yeah. Only you will add some
Google.
information about the movies. Add some paragraph about the movies, like
Yeah, yeah. So what I'll do is I'll add them and I'll
yeah,
make the writing on the navigation
yes,
more
yes,
clearer. Uh,
yeah.
like you
Make
said,
it
with
clear.
bold and a nicer color, bit more, so it's more clear.
Oh,
Uh,
one more question. I have one more question. Go to the registration form.
yeah. Okay.
So show me. It now again goes away.
What's wrong?
Yeah, in the movies where you have written the movies, can they choose a movie name? Is there a drop down?
Nah. I
So
just basically I just put it here and just type
no,
and then
no,
submit it. So
no.
basically, what I was having, I was thinking I could just put add it here.
Yeah, yeah, that's time. Yeah, you should add a drop down there so that they would select a movie.
Yeah. Nah, yeah, because I was thinking, should I add it in this drop down bit or should I just add it here? Because
Yes,
what
the same thing.
was the
Same thing.
full name, email, add the movie here, how many tickets, and then what date. Then
Yes.
submit
Yeah.
it. But then, it's up to, well, what do you think? So should I get rid of this bit and then just put it on the drop down, or is that fine?
Uh, so in the drop down, you have mentioned the timing, right?
Yeah, so I mentioned the date and the time. So basically,
Yeah,
the
that's okay. That
email,
time.
movie, number, tickets, and then the date and time.
Yeah, but there should be movies. For movies, there should be a drop down. They would select a movie name from there.
Okay, so what I could do is obviously, you see where it says movie. I
Yes.
I could probably probably add another drop down here or
Yeah,
something.
yeah, that I am saying. Add another
Yeah,
drop
yeah,
down
yeah.
and
Okay.
mention all the movies name in that drop down.
Okay, yeah. Good
So
idea, actually,
they
yeah.
will just the customer will just choose the name. They are not going to write the movie name there. They will just select the name.
Yeah, yeah. All right, makes sense for them, innit?
Yeah, so you'll add a drop down there.
Okay, then I'll add that drop down then as well, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'll do is on the bold navigation with color, and then with the information, info about movie,
Yes.
and then I'll add drop down movie.
Yes. So when you'll present, you'll show him that they are able to choose the movie's name. This thing you will show them that time when you'll present.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
will show them.
yeah. I mean, obviously, I've got 15 to 20 minutes, so I
Yeah.
want to like, take my time and then
Yes.
explain how every function works and that.
Yeah, yeah. You'll just show them these things and you'll talk about it.
Yeah, yeah, and then just
So
explain it.
that's it. For the presentation, that's it. You have to show them everything about the brief, the document you what you have prepared, that one, and
Mm.
talk about this website. That will be fine.
Yeah, so like on the brief, what should I just like read the brief out, or like just explain little
Yeah,
things, just a little, like on every section, like the summary and
yeah.
do I need to read the whole thing out or
No, no, not to read. Just show them. Share your screen and show them how it's how everything are mentioned there. How, the way it's. No need to read.
okay,
Yeah, no need to read everything. Show
okay,
the.
just a
Yeah,
little
show them. Show them that it's mentioned there, and show your screen to them.
got ya. Okay, yeah, so just show it and then just say
Yeah, just
and
show.
summary and
Yes, yes.
about
Yeah,
what it's about and
yeah.
obviously the what else was there I added on the brief summary. You got the budget, the timeline.
So show me that one too. Your project, how you made that one. Show me that
Oh,
one.
my brief. You want to see my brief?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I'll show you my brief. Okay, so I've got the project brief. So yeah, so explained about Jennifer Viola. You know, she's the founder of Brooklyn Vibes events and all that. Doing the venue at certain so and so date, Brooklyn Bridge Park. Venue holds about 5,000. And obviously, she needs to create a website in order to advertise upcoming showings and take reservations.
Okay.
But yeah, also, I was going to ask you, the stakeholders. So basically, um, I just put down, obviously, I will be the website developer. She's going to be the client. I don't know, like, I was thinking, is it just two people should only be the stakeholders, or like product managers or executives or requested. I just added these from the last Lego thing anyway. And then obviously the goals I've set is achieve completion within an agreed time frame, develop a successful platform to build a rapport with clients, to make this project a success in order to meet the target audience. And then obviously the budget she had to pay for the website, and then technical specification, the domain name Brooklyn Outdoor Film Festival.com,
Okay.
the requirements. I want people to find your products by searching the web. Site will provide detailed information about the product. Whoever visits to make online reservations, and then a little outline about the pages, the home page, the about, news, movies, and all that.
Yes. Is
And
there any timeline? Timeline? Have you mentioned the
yeah,
timeline?
yeah, yeah. I've done the timeline. That I've done in PowerPoint, but just this is just the spec sheet, and then yeah, so that's done. And
Okay.
then where I show you the timeline. Yeah, so this is done a Brooklyn Outdoor Film Festival project timeline. So yeah, I was just looking at the steps and everything. So this is how I done it. Like
Yeah, it looks good. So
information. Hey,
yeah, it will work. So next week, I am letting them know that you have finished this project. Next week we will present this.
yeah, it's all right. Yeah, yeah. What I'll do is I'll just do the whatever you told me to do on the website, and then yeah, I'll show this. I'll do this.
So this two, three thing what I told you to add in the website, you do that and send it to me.
Okay.
After yeah, after I see it's complete, then I will let them know that you have finished and they will assign a presenter.
Okay, no problem. No problem. And then next week, yeah, just let
Yeah,
them.
next week we'll present it because it's almost time to present this project.
Okay, no problem. So everything good then, yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. Everything looks good.
Okay.
Only small issues are there. Only small issues are there.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said in the registration form, that movies drop down. It's very much required to put.
Yeah. 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 That makes sense. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
because nobody is going to write a movie name there. They don't know what are the movies. So so drop down should be there.
Yeah. You at the end of the day, you're right. They
Yeah,
want to make it easier, and you want to
yeah,
make it because
yeah. You have to
obviously they're
think.
limited to time as well, aren't they?
Yeah, you have to think about from the user's perspective too, how it will be.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. No worries then. No worries. So yeah.
so
Thank God.
So after you do this thing, then you will start watching watching the videos for the project 4.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see what are there. We'll go to
Okay. Then. No problem. No problem. That's good to know then.
let me see what are.
Alright. I'm glad you're happy. That's
Yeah, I am happy. You did a
all
lot of.
that matters. You know what I mean? If you
Yeah, I am happy because I see you did a lot of things by yourself. So you explored a lot of things. So
thanks.
yeah,
I'm
that's very much required. That's
Yeah, no, I'm grateful that, obviously you told me from the start that I needed to
yeah.
issue the big issue that I only done one page, and then obviously from there I knew kind of what to do, just obviously putting it all together, and that's it. I'm just glad it's done. Just gotta finish them little bits here and there, and then that's it. Hopefully I can present this and they'll be happy.
Yeah, yeah, we'll present next week. So in the weekend, you send me the completed file in the weekend.
Okay, I'll send it to you. Let me
Then next week we'll present it.
Sweet. Sweet.
So so we'll go to the project 4 now. I'm sharing my screen. We'll talk about the project 4. What's
Oh yeah,
there?
yeah, 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 yeah. Show me that. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Have a look at this. Yeah.
So now it's the project 4. Like now you'll come to know about this UML. Map out your project with UML.
Okay. Is this another language?
No, not another language. You know the flow chart you might be knowing when you were in the college when you first started the that basic language. Do you know the
Oh yeah.
flow chart?
I think what I did was what's it called? The basic thing.
Yeah, basic thing, but there is a flow chart. It's called how it goes like a diagram. UML also is like more or less like a flow chart.
Oh, okay. Oh, so
Yeah.
that's what this is mainly about, like flowcharts and stuff.
Yeah, it's like a flow chart. UML, it's not a language, but it's a flow, how the process goes like a diagram. You'll
Oh,
functions, you'll put the functions of the of the project in a diagram wise. That's called a UML or flow chart.
oh, okay.
So when you will watch this video, you'll come to know about this UML.
Got ya. Got ya.
It's basically like a diagram.
Mm.
Will explain what are the functions in your projects, how it will go, how it will flow, like one after another. Mm, you'll come to know about this.
Oh, okay. Mm.
So
It's very interesting, is it? This
yeah,
complete.
that
Yeah.
so that's not about the app. Before that, you should know. So that's why they have put here.
Okay.
So like they have a open classroom pizza like project.
Mm.
What are the functions in that project? What are the functionality? Functions means what are the functionality?
Oh, okay.
Like place orders in order to in addition to ordering by phone or in the website, they have these functions, right? So you will put those functions in a diagram wise.
Oh, okay.
So it's simple. It's not. It's not a difficult thing.
Got ya, got ya. So this is another big one, isn't it? 80-hour one.
Yeah, it's not that big. It's not. It won't be that difficult to you. I mean to say.
Okay. Oh,
So
so it'll be alright then, yeah? You reckon?
I am showing you one flow chart. If you don't know about the flow chart, let me
Yeah, give
show
me
you.
a little just example. That'd be good actually.
Yeah, I am showing you one flow chart.
Oh yeah,
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 these
yeah.
like these diagrams you see.
Got ya. So
These things.
is it kind of like a mind map type thing?
Yeah, the same thing. UML
Yeah,
also.
yeah. Oh, yeah. So this is the flow chart of like a structure, isn't it?
Yeah, structure. These are the
Oh, got ya.
functionality. Yeah.
So how it
Mhm.
works basically
Yeah,
the
how it will
flow
go,
in the
how the
flow chart
process.
form. Yeah,
Yes.
got
UML
ya.
is the same thing like this. UML is the same thing like this. More or
Got ya.
less. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
So you will mention the function like after one, how it will go. Like first one will be what, then how it will go the process. You will put that in a diagram form.
Got ya. Yeah, this
So
is like in IT, isn't it? Like how like a system works, doesn't it?
yeah, that's why. Yeah, that's the same thing. So
Mm,
so
got
UML is the same thing. So you'll watch the videos, you'll come to
mm.
know about this. But basically, it's the same. It's like this.
So this UML thing, what do they use this for? Is this like part of the process of, or is it just what? Is it just give you ideas or just to show?
Yeah, it will give you ideas how the process will go. Like what you
Oh,
need to do first, then next step, next like that.
hmm, got ya. Okay, that's interesting. So I need to be more familiarized with this.
Yes.
But
So after you complete the this website project, you'll start watching these videos for the project 4.
got ya.
So for this project, you will basically I think you need to prepare a UML.
Okay. Oh, so that's it. What? So you just prepare a flow chart? That's it.
Yeah, I think that because I have to see what is it. Let me
Okay,
see.
no, that's okay. I'll look into it anyway, so and then I'll understand what you're saying. But yeah, no, at least you showed me like what it pretty much is about this this
Yeah,
activity.
you see in the project 4, they have mentioned this expected deliverables like a
Mhm.
document. You'll prepare a document. So, like, what are the functions for this functionality in this project?
Yeah.
Like, they have OC pizza project. Like, they want to deliver pizza. Pizza. This is all
Mhm.
about pizza delivery. So, what are the functionality required in that project? You'll make a PDF document,
Mhm.
a document without any particular format, but with a thoughtful presentation, quickly presenting the functional and technical solution chosen as well as the argument motivating the choice. So it's like that.
Okay. Got
Yeah.
you. Yeah. So like, I mean, I think what I'll do is like I'll do what I did with this. I mean, I look obviously I need to look at the courses this time as well just to give me a little hand. But yeah, I need to move a bit faster with this one as well. Actually,
Yes.
yeah, because obviously I spent a lot of time on this third one as well on it. But yeah, you reckon you reckon it'll be a lot quicker than the third one? Yeah.
Yeah, it will be quicker than third one. It will be
Oh,
quicker.
let's hope I
But
just.
in third one, you learn a lot. Like you learn about HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. You learn so many things.
Yeah, no. I mean, when you're actually doing it from the start,
Yeah.
what I mean, you start understanding things and stuff. So yeah,
Yes.
it has been quite a thing. But the thing is, yeah, I mean, one thing I learned is like, you know, how things work and you know
Yes. Now you
structure.
Yeah, now you know the fundamental of website. Now you can
Yeah,
do
the
little bit
fundamentals exactly.
difficult site. You can go a little bit deeper to it by yourself. If you'll go to the W3 school, now you can do by yourself. Is not it?
Mm, definitely.
Yes.
Oh, definitely. But I was gonna ask you as well is you know how I did it on like one page and just did it in sections. Is it like it? I mean, is it a better way of doing it, or is the way I done it is okay? But I'm sure you know like a better a method or whatever. What would you call that?
Previously, when website first started, that time we were putting all the different pages, like we are making different pages. This
Mm.
one page website is the current one. Nowadays, more sites are coming this way. They put
Oh, is it,
everything.
so it's okay then what I done?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh,
It's
that's all right. Yeah,
yeah.
because I was thinking like have I thought I overcomplicated things maybe because obviously like with a bit inexperience I thought maybe this way it seems quite simpler but I wasn't 100% sure but you said
No,
page is all right then that's okay then.
yeah, but when you have more information, that time you need to put a different page. When you have more, like now you want to put more information about the movies. So in that case, you need to put an extra page too. Sometimes you need more information, right?
Yeah, so like when if I wanted like another page like a big page for movies should I
Yes.
just done it just made that page and then obviously just created the link.
Yeah, you just mentioned below the trailer that learn more or see the detail.
The what? Which one? Sorry.
You will make a detailed page about the movie, another page,
Yeah.
and link that page. Under the trailer you will put something like learn more or see the detail. From that you link that to the completed page. Did you get?
Mm. Oh, okay. So what I'll do is I'll try something different, but I don't know. I'll see how it goes. What will look good, and then
Yes.
send it to you. Just let me know if it's okay or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find a quicker way and something that will be presentable at the same time and effective.
Yes. So I'll suggest make a different page, make a complete different page
Okay.
for the movie detail,
Okay.
and I link that page from here, from the trailer. From the trailer or below the trailer, give a button like see the detail or more detail about this.
Oh, got ya. Oh, so from the movie page, create
Yes,
there and then create another page for the details.
yes,
Oh, very smart. Yeah, yeah, that makes sense actually.
yes. So that you'll come to know how to make a different page too.
Hmm. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, I'll give that. I think that might be a lot quicker for me, wouldn't it?
Yeah, because sometimes when you have lot of information, you need to do in that way.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Actually, I've got an actual idea now.
Mhm.
Yeah, good thinking,
So
Marcin.
so
Good.
from that page, you'll provide all the link to come back to this page, home page, right?
Yeah, yeah. I'll have to do that as well then, won't
Yeah.
I?
Just mention the link like home or something to come back to this page because
So,
they will.
so mention the link home. Okay,
Yes, to come back to this page.
got ya. Yeah, so bring a link to that actual other page, and then bring
Yes,
home page link. Yeah, yeah.
yes.
Okay, yeah. I'll give that a go, and then I'll send it to you then.
Okay.
Please.
So So in that way, nobody will complain you anything because you have a different page and you have everything in this page, so they will get all the information.
Got ya. Lovely, lovely. Cheers, man. Solve so many issues.
So, any other thing, or we'll wrap up?
No, that's it for now. I mean, this brain is already tired as it is. I think that's enough
Okay. Okay.
for now. Thanks. But yeah, I'll get that done and I'll send you as soon as, and then hopefully get this presentation out of the way, and then just concentrate on the fourth.
Yeah.
Get
Yes.
that done as soon as anyway, so I won't waste as much time this time.
Okay. Then.
Okay, then have a nice day and
Yeah.
have a nice weekend too.
Yeah. Have a nice weekend to you too.
Same time next week, yeah.
Bye.
Take care. Take care. Bye bye.